Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to use Expedia points in 2024. So we'll delve into exciting topics of Expedia points and how to make the most of them. So if you're been accumulating Expedia points through your booking, maybe flights, hotels, and etc., it's time to learn how to leverage them for incredible travel rewards and savings. So join me as we explore the steps for effectively use of them and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you'll need to go and log in into your Expedia account. To do so, make sure to go and open whatever browser you have. Here I'm using Brave for you. You can use whatever you want or you have. Once you open its basically just go to this URL section here and make sure to type expedia.com and hit the enter button. Once you do so, you'll find yourself on the home screen or main screen. For me, as you can see, I'm already logged into your account, into my account, but for you as an example, maybe it's been a long time, you'll find basically yourself on kind of the same page, but instead you'll find the sign in option at the top right corner. So make sure to click on that and click on sign in here. It's free to sign in into your account. You can sign in using Google, Apple, or Facebook if you don't want to get through all the boring steps of signing your account, basically, which is filling up your information manually. Once you sign in into your account, as example, you'll find yourself with the same page here. So, as you can see here, once you are on your dashboard or home screen, of course, you can even download the app if you better or if you prefer using it on your phone. So the first thing that you'll need to do, simply go to your account at the top right corner, click on it, your name, and here you'll be able to view reward activity. Just click on that. Here, first of all, as you can see, your 1K reward. So trip elements add up fast. As you can see, you'll be able to find how many money do you have on your reward or how many points do you have specifically. And as you can see, your reward activity, you can simply filter by Expedia or hotels or variable. As you can see, for me, I have no rewards, no points. But for you, how you'll be able to use those, simply if you have some points, first of all, you'll be able to get some coupons right here. Or other than that, you'll be able to find maybe some credits on your account. Or as an example, let me just go here to Expedia and try as an example, I'll say stays maybe in Barcelona. So let's say I will stay there as an example from 9 or 8th to 9th and then click on done. And of course, I'll just do one person, click on done, and then click on search. Of course, if you need the car or flight, just check that option to find more than that. So as an example, you can look for the one that you want. Maybe as an example, this one. It's cheap, it's good, it seems on the reviews you can see 7.8. It's actually decent. Of course, if you want to get for more better stuff, which has more features like pool, hot tub, but it's going to be a bit expensive, but it's fine if you want the additional things. So as an example for me, I'll just choose this. Of course, one thing, if you remember, the price will be, as you can see, already done or down, sorry. And as you can see in here, you'll be able to see the pictures of how doing it. Of course, it has free Wi-Fi, laundry, 24/7 front desk, air conditioning, and housekeeping. You can see all the other things that they have as example. So they have a parking, transportation, food and drink as example, internet, as you can see, available on all rooms, things to do, TV in common areas, family friendly example. So it has a lot of things. Language spoken example, Catalan, English, French, German, Portuguese, Spanish. So as you can see, a lot of things. So if you want to reserve a room, just go and click on that. And as you can see, you can start choosing whatever you want. Do you want non-refundable, or you'll be able to refund this before 6th May, but you'll have to add simply just $6. If you want this specific room, if you want other rooms, you'll be able to choose it also. So example, let's say we choose this one. I'll just go here and click on reserve and I'll have to wait. So as you can see in here, you'll be able to find here on the price details, use coupon, credit, or promotional code. Click on that. And basically here, you'll be able to use your credits. As we said, you can change your credit that you have into coupons before. If you have some any type of points or rewards here, you'll be able to change them into coupons, or you'll be simply able to use those credits right away from here without any problems. And once you apply them, you'll find the price is going down, and then you'll be able to start paying with your money. Of course, you can pay even with PayPal or click to pay if you want to. And if you want to add protection to your stay, you'll have to add some dollars. And if you don't, as you can see, I'm willing to risk my this amount, of course. Stay book, and I understand my decline by declining this coverage that I might be responsible for certain cancellation fees and delay expenses personally or through alternates like coverage. So that depends on you. Basically, if you click in here and apply the coupon or reward system or points, you'll be able to get the price down and you'll be able to use this point. And yeah, that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.